Aloha Hawaii, I'm Joe with Choi's Cleaning Services and Systems, and today we're going to show you how to tackle a tough carpet stain.
This is Choi, and what we have here is a dirty carpet today, and this is what we're working with. And first of all, we're going to do our first step, which is pull all the dirt off this carpet. So we're going to go ahead and vacuum everything first thoroughly. So now Joe is going to go ahead and vacuum this very thoroughly, and the reason why we do this is we want all the dirt from the bottom of the carpet to lift up to the surface, so that way when we come later on with the shampooer, it will take out all the stains from the bottom to the top. And this is our special technique that we use in order for to have clean carpets and to get out tough stains. Another reason why we want to vacuum this very thoroughly is because we want to get all the particles and the dust and the dirt before we hit it with water or shampoo, because when you put water on dirt it becomes mud, and that's what we don't want. And when we take out all the particles and all the little sand and the grit, it will be much easier for us to shampoo in the end, and the results are much greater, and this is through experience. And after Joe vacuums here, watch how much dirt we pull through the filter. Now Joe is going to go ahead and use the shampooer, and he's going to go and hit all the spots. And basically the beauty of this is that we're using minimal water, so there's no mold growing in your carpets, and it's going to be fresh. And other people, they would go ahead and use a rug doctor and use a lot of water, and it would take, maybe 2 days for it to dry. For us, it only takes 2 hours. So this is the reason why we use this method. And as you can slowly see, the stain is slowly going away. So as he go over it a few more times, the stain should be gone. Now Joe is going to take over from here, and I hope the rest of you guys have a beautiful day. Aloha.